Hi guys. If I look hot, it is because I am. I'm outside and I just want to share a money testimony. I realized while I was washing my car, there was a time where I had to wash my car. I purchased the water hose and I don't know where my bucket went, but I purchased the bucket and everything I needed to wash my car because I honestly at one point could not afford to get my car washed as often as I would like, but I could afford to get the supplies. So I purchased the supplies, guys. I know it's been years now, and I started washing my own car honestly because I just could not afford to do it myself, or well, get somebody to do it for me, so I had to do it myself. And I was just realizing today just how far I've come in the sense of I can't afford to get my car washed honestly on a regular basis, but today I just felt like washing my own car, and I had the time to get out here and wash the car before it got super 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 hot. And I'm just excited about that. So, the liberties of debt freedom are real. I don't have to wash my own car. Guys, I'm actually choosing to wash my own car because I wanted to do it. I had the time to do it. I'm ahead in terms of business stuff. So I just kind of got some downtime and some free time on today to just do me, get some things done, do some things that makes my heart smile. And I just realized washing my car from time to time is one of those things. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Do what you got to do to get out of debt. Don't feel ashamed if you have to wash your own car. Don't feel ashamed if you have to just do some things on your own that you would typically pay somebody to do, especially if you go through your budget and you realize you have expenses that you could cut back on. So don't be ashamed about that. I'm super excited and super glad that I cut some things out of my life at one point in time. And I'm not even in a rush to add some things back. Like, I don't mind washing my car. Do I take it to the shop and get it washed from time to time? Yes, I do. But again, today I just felt like washing my own, and I'm so glad I did. So that's just the debt freedom nugget for you guys on today. Do what you got to do to get out of debt. In terms of cutting expenses, you will see the benefits slowly but surely, but you will most definitely see the benefits. So you guys have a great day. I am about to next replant some of my flowers. So that's next on my agenda for today. See you guys.